Welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am sharing a delicious street-style paneer fried rice. Flavorful, colorful and perfect for lunch or dinner. Let's start the recipe. First take 1 cup basmati rice. Soak for 10 minutes. Wash well. Now boil some water, add half teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon oil. Then add the rice. Cook the rice until 90% done. Drain the water and keep aside. Now take 150 gram paneer. Cut into small pieces. Paneer is one of the richest vegetarian protein sources in South Asia. Heat 2 tablespoon oil. Saute 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and half teaspoon chili flakes for 30 seconds. Add 2 tablespoon onion. Three tablespoon long beans, 3 tablespoon carrot, 3 tablespoon capsicum, and 3 tablespoon tomato. Stir fry quickly. Stir fry veggies on high heat to keep them crisp. Add 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and half teaspoon salt. Add sauces after vegetable for better coating. Mix in the paneer pieces. Then add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. Toss in the boiled rice. Leftover rice actually makes the best fried rice. And stir fry on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Toss rice gently to avoid breaking the grains. Paneer provides protein and calcium, great for bones. Vegetables in fried rice add fiber and vitamins. Using less oil keeps the dish light and healthy. Soy sauce should be used in moderation to balance sodium. Your street-style paneer fried rice is ready to serve hot. Try this recipe at home and let us know what's your favorite rice dish. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more tasty recipes.